everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm so excited to see you all again today.
Hello, friends. It's Robert here. We are very happy you are with us today.
Before we start our lesson, please remember to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
Yes, please click the like button and share this podcast with your friends and family. Thank you so much.
Today, our topic is very important. We are talking about your career.
Career. Yes, this is something we talk about all the time. At work, at home, everywhere.
Exactly. People always ask you about your job and your career. So today, we will learn how to talk about it.
We will make it easy and fun. No stress, no worry.
Robert, are you ready?
I am ready. So, tell me, what is your job?
Let me start with something simple. What do you do, Robert?
Good question. I work in a bank. I am a financial manager.
A financial manager. That sounds interesting. How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 5 years now. I really enjoy it.
5 years. That is a long time. What do you like about your job?
I like helping people with their money. I like my team. They are very friendly.
That is wonderful. So you like your team and you like helping people. What about the difficult things?
The difficult things, well, sometimes it is very stressful. We have a lot of work.
Stressful. Yes, that is common in many jobs. How do you handle the stress?
I exercise. I run 3 times a week. It helps me relax and feel better.
Exercise is very good, very healthy. Now tell me, do you want to change your job one day?
That is a good question. Maybe in the future, I want to start my own business.
Your own business? That is exciting. What kind of business?
I want to help small companies with their money. I want to be a financial consultant.
That is a great goal, a very good plan. Now my turn. Let me tell you about my career.
Yes, tell me, Emily. What is your job?
I am a marketing manager. I work for a technology company.
A technology company? That sounds modern and interesting. How long have you been there?
I have been there for 3 years. It's a very young company, but growing fast.
Growing fast. That is exciting. What do you do every day?
I make plans for how to sell our products. I work with social media, emails, and advertisements.
Social media? Yes, that is very popular now. Do you like this work?
I love it. It's creative and fun. I use my brain all day. It's exciting.
You use your brain. You are creative. That is wonderful. What is the hardest part?
The hardest part is that technology changes very fast. I must learn new things every day.
Learning every day. That sounds like a lot of work, but it is good for your brain.
Yes, I like to learn. It keeps me young and energetic.
That is a very positive way to think. So now, let me ask you, what does your typical day look like?
Good question. I wake up at 7. I have coffee and breakfast. Then I go to my office.
You go to the office. Do you work in an office building?
Yes, but sometimes I work from home too. My company is very flexible about this.
Flexible. That is nice. Working from home is good for some people. What do you do in your office?
I have meetings with my team. We talk about our projects and goals. I also check emails and social media.
Meetings and emails. Yes, that is typical. How long do you work?
I work from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening. That's 8 hours.
8 hours. That is standard. Do you like your working hours?
Yes, I do. 8 hours is good. It gives me time for my family and friends after work.
That is very important. Work is not everything. Now, let's talk about salary.
Salary. Yes, this is important too. Do you want to talk about your salary?
Well, in informal conversations, we can talk about it. I am happy with my salary.
You are happy. That is good. Money is important for life, but happiness is more important.
That is true. I earn enough money for my family. I can buy what I need and save money too.
Saving money is important. Do you think your salary is fair for your work?
Yes, I think it is fair. My company respects me. They give me bonuses sometimes, too.
Bonuses, that is nice. Now let's talk about skills. What skills do you need for your job?
Skills. Ah, this is important. I need to be good with numbers. Mathematics is important.
Mathematics, yes. What else?
I need to communicate well. I talk to many people. I need to be friendly and patient.
Communication skills are very important. Friendly and patient, yes. And what about computer skills?
Computers, yes. I use computer programs every day. I need to be fast and accurate.
Fast and accurate, those are good skills. Now, what skills do I need for my job?
You work in marketing. I think you need creativity, yes?
Yes, creativity is number one. I need new ideas. I need to think different.
Think different. That is good. What else?
I need to understand people. I need to know what they want and what they like.
Understanding people. That is a social skill. Very important in marketing.
Exactly. And I need to use technology. I need to know social media platforms very well.
Social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter? Yes. Now, do you have a boss?
Yes, I have a boss. His name is Michael. He is very nice and supportive.
Supportive? That is good. Do you like your boss?
I do. He listens to our ideas. He gives us freedom to be creative. He is a good leader.
A good leader. That is important. What about your colleagues?
My colleagues are wonderful. We are like a family. We help each other.
Like a family. That is beautiful. Now, let's talk about career growth. Do you want to move up?
Yes, I do. I want to be a director one day. I want to lead a bigger team.
A director? That is ambitious. What do you need to do to become a director?
I need more experience. I need to learn leadership skills. I need to be patient and wait.
Patience is important. And what about education? Do you need more education?
Maybe. I am thinking about taking a course in business management. It could help me.
That is a good idea. Learning never stops. I'm doing the same. I'm taking online courses.
Online courses. Yes, they are very convenient. You can learn from home. Now let's talk about challenges.
Challenges in a job. Yes. What are your challenges, Emily?
One challenge is that technology changes too fast. I must always be learning and updating my knowledge.
That is true. Another challenge is competition, yes? Many companies want to do what you do.
Yes, exactly. There is a lot of competition. We must be better than others.
Being the best is stressful. What about you, Robert? What are your challenges?
Let me think. One challenge is the rules. We have many rules and regulations in banking.
Rules and regulations. They're there for safety, but they can be difficult sometimes.
Yes, and another challenge is that customers can be unhappy. They have problems with their money.
Unhappy customers, yes. Helping them feel better is a big responsibility.
It is. Now let's talk about the positive things. What do you love about your job?
I love that I help people. When a customer is happy, I feel happy too.
That is beautiful. Helping people makes you feel good. And what else?
I love learning about finance. Money is interesting. How it works, how it grows, it fascinates me.
That is great. Being interested in your job is important. Now, what about you, Robert? What do I love about my job?
You love creativity. You love making things that people notice and enjoy.
Yes, and I love seeing results. When people click on our advertisement or visit our website, I am proud.
Results and pride. That is wonderful. Now, we have learned a lot about talking about career. What should our listeners remember?
They should remember to talk about their job with passion. Tell people what you do.
Yes, and explain why you like it or why it is interesting. People like to listen to passionate people.
They also should talk about their goals. Tell people what you want to do in the future.
Future plans are interesting. And remember, be honest. Don't pretend to like a job if you don't.
Honesty is important. People can feel if you're not being true.
Now, let's think of useful phrases for talking about career. What is a good phrase, Emily?
A good phrase is, I work as a. You can say, I work as a teacher, or I work as a nurse.
That is simple and clear. Another good phrase is, I have been working here for. You can say how long.
Yes, I have been working here for 3 years. That tells people about your experience.
What other phrases? Something about liking the job.
You can say, I enjoy my job because, then give a reason.
Good. And what about future plans?
You can say, I want to become a, or I hope to. These show your goals and ambitions.
Beautiful. These phrases are very useful. Now, let's practice together.
Yes. Robert, pretend we just met. Tell me about your career.
Okay. Hi, Emily. My name is Robert. I work as a financial manager in a bank.
That is wonderful. How long have you been working there?
I have been working there for 5 years. I really enjoy my job because I help people.
That is great. Do you have any goals for the future?
Yes, I hope to start my own business as a financial consultant one day. It is my dream.
That is exciting. I wish you good luck. Now, my turn. Hi, Robert. I work as a marketing manager.
Interesting. How long have you been doing this?
I have been working in marketing for 3 years. I work for a technology company.
What do you like about your job?
I enjoy my job because I can be creative. I like to make advertisements that people notice.
That sounds very interesting. What are your future goals?
I want to become a marketing director. I hope to lead a bigger team and create bigger campaigns.
That is a beautiful goal. I'm sure you can do it. You are talented.
Thank you, Robert. That is very kind. Now, our listeners, did you practice with us?
We hope so. Now, for your homework, we have a task for you.
Yes. Go to the comments section below. Tell us about your career in 3 or 4 sentences.
Tell us your job, how long you have been doing it, what you like about it, and your future goals.
We would love to read about your careers. We will respond to your comments.
Thank you all for listening today. We hope you learned something useful.
Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to Small Talk Podcast.
And click the like button. Share with your friends who are learning English.
We will be back very soon with another episode. Thank you again.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and be confident. We believe in you.